Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin access because many commands need elevated rights. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then choose Run as Administrator. Confirm the title bar shows Administrator. Once done, change to the folder you will work in using CD and the full path, so commands run in the right place. If you prefer a quick launch, press Windows plus R, type CMD, and use Control plus Shift plus Enter to elevate. This ensures you won't hit permission denials during the next steps. You will run file, system, and network commands, learn the why behind each. Use dir with switches like / and /o to reveal hidden files and sort results, so you know what's present. Then run executables directly or use start for new windows, which keeps the prompt free for follow-up commands. For connectivity checks, ipconfig/all shows interfaces and DNS, while ping verifies reachability. Make sure to read command output for errors. Correct paths and arguments. You wrap up by saving results and closing safely. Redirect output to a file with or pipe to clip to copy. This preserves logs for later. When finished, type exit or click the X to close the window. If a command fails, first verify the path includes the executables folder and rerun with full path. If system commands misbehave, run sfc/scano to repair files. One key tip: run the same command from an elevated prompt to rule out permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.